Do you want to filter TikTok search results by date? You can easily discover the newest videos, find fresh viral trends, and sort your search results to show only the most recent content. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To filter TikTok search results by date. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, tap the search icon located in the top right corner of your screen. In the search bar, type the keyword or topic you want to search for, then hit the search button on your keyboard. Once your search results appear, tap the filter icon located next to the search bar in the top right corner of the screen. In the filter menu under the date posted section, select your preferred time frame, such as past 24 hours, this week, or this month. After selecting your desired time frame, tap the Apply button at the bottom of the screen to refresh your results. Now, TikTok will show you only the most recent videos posted within the date range you selected.